I'm greeting everybody that is watching me on this screen, this Money King. I'm coming to talk everybody truth, and today, and everybody know the truth person. Are you listening to me? The people they are watching me. I'm not coming TV Talk to do advert. I'm not doing advert. People they are coming TV Talk to do advert. It's not like me. Me, I'm different from them. Are you listening to me? Because the people that they come to me, that's their last place they come. It's not go and come matter. I'm doing my work. Are you listening to me? So the what I'm doing for the boss before I come this TV Talk to talk to the people the reality. It no be small thing. I'm talking to the people that they are watching me on today. Are you listening to me? This Money King, money power, the spirit is following me. It's not that I go and collect the spirit for somebody. They bought me with the spirit. So me, my work, I'm not doing it to go and come. The day that you come, that day you will get everything that you want and go. I'm talking to Ghana people, I'm talking to Benin people, I'm talking to Nigeria people, I'm talking to Dubai people. Outside people, I'm working with outside people. Are you listening to me? I'm going outside, come to Ghana. Me, I'm not doing my work, go and come. The people, they are coming to do advert on TV Talk. People come TV Talk and say, if you bring 1 million, he will give you 10 million. How much is the 10 million? That thing cannot get sense. When you are thinking very well, that thing can he get sense? If the person that is doing like that, if it is the truth, all in area that the place is there, all the place that is there, they will get money. Are you listening to me? What fraud is that? And you people, you are coming to TV Talk to fraud people. And send somebody to send 3 million, you will give her 50 million or 100 million. If it is not lie, if the person too is thinking well, he can't think like that. That pain me to come this TV Talk to talk the people reality. I'm not doing my work, go and come. This Money King. If you come to my place, it's not go and come, you are going to come and do. Are you listening to me? And you are not going to go market and buy anything. I'm not going to show you something to go and buy it market. I'm not doing my work like that. People come and suffer to me. That they go to many places, they don't go get what you want. Yesterday, somebody come to me and said that he go 18 places. Are you listening to me? They go 18 places. If you see the way he talk, what they do for him, I can't talk it. But I'm talking everybody that he should try your best and come to me. That's your last place you are going to come. And you are not going to go to any place again. I'm talking to the people they are watching me. Me, I'm not doing my work, go and come. Are you listening to me? Me, I'm not doing my work addicting. Everybody should watch me. I'm coming the TV Talk to show the people that they are doing the work very good. Because now you can know the person that he can do very well for you. Are you listening to me? The people that they are watching me, try to come to me. That's your last place. You are coming. You are not going to go to any place again. I'm talking to everybody to listen to me. Ghana people, are you listening to me? I'm talking to Accra people. The people, they are suffering and they go to many places. They don't get what you need. Come to me. Right now I'm in Accra. Are you listening to me? I'm not doing my work, go and come. If you have business problem, you come to me. That's your last place you come. If you have marriage problem, come to me. That's your last place you come. If you want your number, come to me. I'm going to check your stuff before I do the number for you. If the number cannot miss. Every one day I'm giving 2 people numbers. If I give only 2 people number, I'm not going to add anybody again. I'm not doing my work like that. It's not because of money I come this stupid talk to talk to the people. How much can you bring to me? And I solve your problem for you. And I'm going to take it and do what? Me, I already have my money. I'm talking to the people that what people come the TV talk and do. What is no good? That one I come to talk to the people, the reality. Are you listening to me? My brothers and my sisters and my fathers, they born me with the spirit. It's not the spirit. I go and take it for some place. The person could have this TV talk, I'm coming, my time reach and the person is coming. If me give out the medicine, plenty people I give medicine. I can't count them. But what they are doing is no good. So I'm talking to the people that you try and come to me. You call me, all your problem will solve. When you need dollars, I'll do it for you. Ghana City, instant money. That day you come, that day you take it and go. No go and come. Packet no dry you want. I have it different. Packet no dry. I have it different. I have some. When you want it, the lowest is 5 million. The lowest is 5 million I'm doing. Are you listening to me? 5 million, if you want 5 million, you call me. If you want 10 million every day, call me. 20 million every day, call me. You will remove it every day, up to 1 year, before it will expire. Before you now come and we do the sacrifice, before the money starts again. No go and come. The day that you come, that day I'll do it. And you test it, before you take it and go. I can't do my work and you know, the work no start and you take it and go. The way you start my place, I'm going to do it for you. No go and come. If you want 100 million every day, I'll do it for you. That day, no, it will start and come. If you want 50 million, I'll do it for you. And I have dollars one. If you want dollars one, I'll do it for you. It's the same thing. I'm talking to the outside people and Nigerian people. The people they are watching for me. The people they are watching me on this screen. I'm not coming to do advert. Are you listening to me? This money king, money power. If you come to me, that's your last place you are coming to reach. Are you listening to me? I'm not doing my work, go and come. Many people come to TV talk and say they are doing work. When you are going to do somebody work and you tell the person to send money for you, how can the person go think? I'm talking to Ghana people. The people they are doing that is no good. Don't send money for somebody to do work for you. If you call me to say you will send money for me, I'm not doing sending money. Are you listening to me? I'm doing my work reality. You come and meet me myself, face to face, and I do your work very well for you. That day no, and you take it and go. No go and come. My brothers and my sisters. Any problem that you have, call me on these numbers. When you want to travel to outside, you let me know. People in Ghana, they are teaching. They are teaching the people that and take their money and they can't get visa for them. Try and come to me. I know what I'm going to do and solve all your problems for you. My brother, when you have marriage problem, come to me. My sister, when you have marriage problem, come to me. All your problem will solve. Are you listening to me? No go and come. Me, I'm not doing my work, go and come. If you come to me, that's your last place you are coming. Everybody should watch me. Not editing. I'm not doing editing my work. This money king, money power. Everybody should watch me. Are you listening to me? I'm talking to the people that they are watching me. No go and come. Are you listening to me? So I'm talking to everybody that they are watching me. I'm going to do packet no dry. And everybody should see and know that the reality is there. No go and come. I'm not doing my work, go and come. Everybody should watch me. Everybody should watch me. I'm not doing my work, go and come. When you are going to come to me, do you see this wallet? This one you are going to buy. Are you listening to me? And come to me. And I'll do what you want for you. This wallet, I want to test it and everybody should see. I'm doing my work reality. Watch inside. Everybody should see. Watch inside. Watch me very well. Everybody should watch. What is inside the wallet? Everybody should watch me very well. I'm not doing my work, go and come. I'm not doing my work, go and come. Everybody should watch me. I'm going to do the wallet, Ghana cedi and dollars. Everybody should watch me. If you come to me, if I do your pocket no dry, I will test it that day. No, the work will start before you now take it and go. And the work, it will reach 1 week, 1 year before the work can start. If it not reach 1 year, it can stop. If you come to me that day, no, it will stop. No go and come. My brothers and my sister. The people that they are suffering and they say they go to many places, they don't get what they want to know. There are people I'm talking to them. They should come to me and know the real person. This money king, money power. The money is following me. It's not I go. If you bring your 1 billion, it's not anything for me. So I'm not needing anybody money. I don't need anybody money. The money that you are bringing for me is for your work. I'm talking to everybody, they are listening to me. Everybody, they are watching me and they are listening to me. Are you listening to me? Chant the way everybody see the wallet. I'm closing it. Everybody should see it. I don't want to bias my work. Are you watching me? Everybody is watching me. I don't want my work editing, cameraman. I don't want editing. I don't come the TV talk to do editing for somebody to see. I'm coming to show power and people see and know the real person is there. Everybody should watch me. The way I'm going to do and the money come, everybody, when you come to me every day, when you are going to remove the money, that way you are going to do and the money, you remove the money. Are you listening to me? Chant the money king. Chant the money king. Chant the money king. Everybody should watch me. Everybody should watch me. Everybody should see. Do you see that is Ghana cedi? Everybody should watch me. I don't want my work going to come. That's 50 million. I don't want my work going to come. Everybody should watch me. I don't come the TV talk to do editing. I'm not doing my work like that. Everybody should watch me. Do you see this Ghana cedi? Everybody should watch. Chant these dollars. What is this? I don't want my work editing. Cameraman, I don't want editing. What is inside? Nothing. Everybody should watch me. I'm not doing my work editing. Cameraman, I don't want editing my work. This packet no dry. This packet no dry. I'm talking to Nigerian people, Dubai people, Ghana people. That one is packet no dry. Every day you remove 50 million. The one that you want to remove in, that one that you are going to tell me and I do it for you. That day no, it will start coming and you start. Everybody, you are watching me. I'm not doing my work, go and come. I do the packet no dry. That day no, when you come, that day no, I'll finish it and you test it and take it and go. Are you listening to me? So I'm going to do another action. That one we call money rituals. Are you listening to me? That one to every day. When we want to remove it every day. That one to we are doing it, put pot inside. Are you listening to me? So I'm talking to everybody that they are watching me. The people that they watch my money rituals. But it's not human blood. No part of human, no part of human blood. I'm doing it. God created animals for use for sacrifice, but not human part of sacrifice. I'm not doing that kind of ones. Okay? And I'm not doing the one that you can do and the back and somebody know that you go and enter rituals. I'm not doing my work like that. I'm doing my work reality. This money king, money power. Are you watching me very well? If I do your work for you, no, you will see something back, or you dream bad dream, or everybody know that you go and do money ritual. I'm not doing that kind of work. Everybody's watching me. I'm doing my work reality. So don't think that human blood is there or animal. Animal blood is there, but not human part of blood. I'm talking to everybody should see. This money rituals I'm going to do, and everybody should see. Everybody's watching me. Watch the pot inside. I don't want editing. Watch the pot inside. Everybody should watch inside. Are you watching me? Watching me very well. This money rituals I'm going to do and everybody see. That they know when you come that day I'm going to do the money rituals, and the money that you want every day to remove it, and the money come that day no inside the pot. I'm not doing my work and go and come. And you take it and go your house. I'll show you how you are going to be doing it. Everybody's watch me. Watch the pot very well. Jande, I'm not cameraman, I'm not doing my work editing. Everybody should watch me. I'm not going to close the pot. Everybody should watch me very well. I'm not doing my work, go and come. Jande, mami wata shukusari ya be wul pulka be wulolole. Imo boka chedega faka tene mo ya be wul pulka be wulolole mo boka chedega faka tene. This morning rituals, I'm not doing my work, go and come. Jande mami wata shukusari ya be wul pulka be wulolole mo boka chedega faka tene mo. Jande agawe pasara bamba na chibo bamba na. Morning rituals. People say you can't chamba, you are charming like a magistrate. Jande mami wata shukusari ya be wul pulka be wulolole mo boka chedega faka tene mo. This morning rituals I'm doing, and everybody should watch me. I'm not doing my work for your come. This money king, money power. This money power. My spirit come. Jande mami wata shukusari. Everybody should watch me. I'm not doing editing, cameraman. I'm not doing editing my work. Everybody should watch me. Nothing inside my hand. This money rituals. Everybody should watch me. Jande mami wata shukusari. Everybody should watch me. This money rituals. This 50 million. Are you listening to me? I'm not doing my work, go and come. Everybody should watch me. No go and come. That day no when you come. This money rituals. That day no when you come. If I do it, I will test it for you. Cameraman, no editing. I don't want editing my work. Everybody should watch me very well. No go and come. Cameraman, I don't want editing. I'm talking to outside people. The people they are suffering. Every place that you dare, I can do the work for you. And you charge me the money, and I'll show you how you can do. If you can't come, if you dare outside, you can't come to me. I'll show you how you can do, and I'll do the work for you. And the money start that day. No, you hear me? I'll call you. You call me video call. I'll show you how we are going to do. And the money come that day. No, this money rituals, my brothers and my sisters. Are you listening to me? No go and come. If you want 1 billion every day, I'll do it for you. If you want 500 million every day, I'll do it for you. If you want 50 million every day, I'll do it for you. The amount that you want every day, that one I'll do for you. I'm not doing my work, go and come. Everybody should watch me. No go and come. If you want dollars, one, I'll do it for you every day. This money rituals, every day the money will come. You hear? But not something that it will follow you back. No, I'm not doing my work, go and come. Jande mami wata shukusari ya be wul pulka be wulolole mo boka chedega faka tene mo. Everybody should watch me. This money king, money power. I don't want my work editing, cameraman. Listen to me very well. Everybody should watch me. The spirit allowed me to come to do this action for everybody to see and know that the real person did. It's not that editing. I'm not doing advert. My work. Are you listening to me? My brothers, I'm talking to them. Listen to me. No go and come. This money rituals. I'm not doing my work, go and come. I already have my money. The people they are talking, everybody, you should send 300 for him and he do work for you. That one is not anything. And the person cannot show the back inside and you see that money is inside. and you tell him, he tell you that you should send 1 million for him, he will give you 10 million. Are you a fool? Come to me. This is your last place you are coming. You are not going to go to any place. This morning rituals, I'm not doing my work, go and come. Are you listening to me? I'm not doing my work, go and come. The people you are calling and send money for somebody, 1 million, you don't see the person, you send money for him. You are fool. Don't send money for somebody. Come to me. Your problem will solve. Me, I'm not doing my work, go and come. This morning rituals, everybody should watch me. Chandi, you see, this morning rituals, I'm not doing my work editing, cameraman. Chandi man water susani ya be wulu polo ka be wulu lole bo ka chite go fa ka te go. I'm coming the TV talk to show action. I'm not coming to talk bra bra bra. I'm not doing that work. I'm not doing that kind of work. Are you listening to me? I don't want to talk plenty. I'm coming to talk the people that they are suffering and they go to many places, they don't get what they want. That people that I'm talking, that's your last place you are coming to me. You are not going to go to any place again. The people they are watching me, I'm talking to them. I'm not doing my work, go and come. This morning rituals I'm doing. I'm not going to do my work editing. And I'm going to do instant money. The people that they want instant money, that they know that you come, that day I'm going to do the instant money for you. Are you listening to me? No, go and come. I'm going to do instant money and everybody should see. Watch me very well. This money came, money power. The money follow me. I don't want your anything. If you bring your money, you bring it for your work, not to give me. I can't collect your anything. I have to do what you want for you before you can give me what you can give me. Are you listening to me? What is this? This bucket. Everybody should watch me. I'm in Accra, but I'm not hearing the tune very well. Me kasama amafo. They hear me. Okay, oh, hear me. Yeah, hear me. Yeah. Me hear me work. Juma cobra. Me yes Juma no. Oh, hear me yeah. When you instant money, na me pese me yeah. Na amafo who say to me wo ho. And you say obeba na obeko. And yes me pese Juma no. Hear me yeah. Oh, hear me yeah ya. Obehu then na me be yeah. Sisi ya. Me ye, me juma, go and come. Amafona, de baye, ne kasa se, obey, who send you 1 million ya, obey ye, 10 million amao. Me yes ajumano, me kasa amafo de shemi. Me yes ajumano, what is the mika? Ushani ye ya, ultimate sending ma amafo 3 million na ukase, ube senu, wenu, adai. And yes, someone and yetuma. Me kasa amafo. Me pese me ka anukure amau. Na unim say to me ewo ho. Me pese me ye instant money. Sisi na unhu say to me wo ho. Me ye say kobra. And na ubaye in on ye say obe koto say obe koto and yes me pay me work kobra. Shame me ye. Jan man water so sale ya be wulu polo ka be wulu lole mo ka chede go fa ka ten go. Jan ga go passer go na chimbo bamba. Sumena. The money follow me. The king follow me. I'm not doing my work editing. Jan man water so sale. Ama for the shame ni ye. Me pay cobra. Jan man water so sale. When you instant money. Jan they wo Accra ana Kumasi. Me wo branch Kumasi ana me wo branch Accra. Shame ni ye. Me pe cobra. Chande man wota sukusare ya bi wol polo ka be wol lole. E mo ka chede ga fa ka tena bo me pe is editing my work. What is the mika? Me kasa anukura ama fono. Shame ni ye. Me ye cobra. Chande man wota sukusare ya bi wol polo. When they die dollars. When they die dollars instant money enye say uko uba ube cobra me enye sa adwuma no upe utidemika twin no minchini ye be me ka mistake ya ube hu say minchini ye what demika bra masueye ube hu de mi betima ya ma enye say cobra uba untimi ko market mi betima mintimi chira wo na ko market na unto bebe onim dwuma na me ye no eye me na menim me na me ye dwuma ma na onim say tumi wo ho na wo ba de wo wo na wo be ma me na ma wadu pe adanu a wo ba ye wo sabeka enye say cobra me ye sa dwuma no amafo hwe me ye me pese cobra wahu wele dollars wahu me pese cobra hwe me ye wahu dollars outside people. I'm talking to Dubai people, Nigeria people. They are watching me. Togo people. Everybody should watch me. The people they did Dubai. If you want dollars, I will do it for you. All the place that you did, I can do it, and the money come for you. It's for your lucky. Are you listening to me? No go and come. I'm not doing my work. Go and come. Jande mami wata sukusare ya be wolupulo ka be wololo le mo bukachi de ka fakati numbe. Jande mami wata sukusare. Jande enye cobra. What's the maker? If you come to me, no go and come. Are you listening to me? I'm talking to Nigerian people. The Nigerian people, they scam. You understand? People collect their money, and people they are calling me, talking that people collect their money. They send money for plenty people. Are you listening to me? But plenty people is using my pictures and fraud people. If you watch me very well, if it is not this number, if you see my picture is not this number, don't call the number. It's fraud. I'm talking to Nigerian people, outside people, Dubai people, Ghana people, Togo people, Benin people. Watch me very well. This instant money. I'm not doing my work, go and come. Cameraman. I'm talking to the people, the reality. Don't send money for somebody and you don't know the person. Unless you and the person, you do video call. Are you listening to me? And you know the person, that's the person. Are you listening to me? I'm not doing my work, go and come. Call me on these numbers. All the numbers is WhatsApp. The people they day outside. If you can call me, you can WhatsApp me. I'm talking to the people that they are serious. I'm talking to them, they are serious. When you come to me, that's your last place. I'm talking to everybody. The person that you sit, if me give them the medicine. Bye-bye, Nigerian people. Bye-bye, Ghana. Bye-bye, Togo. Bye-bye.
Because